Want to open an account with moomoo? Here's a step-by-step to get a moomoo ID and open a FUTU SG Securities account. First, download the moomoo app on your phone. You can download the moomoo app on either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, open the moomoo app to register. Tap on Sign Up to register with your phone number. If you are registering with an overseas phone number, select the respective country code on the left-hand side. You can also choose to sign up with your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you have successfully gotten your moomoo ID, you can now open a FUTU SG Securities account. First, tap on Open Account at the top right-hand corner to start opening an account with us. Tap on Next, and then select Foreigner residing in Singapore or Other to open an account. Get your passport and proof of address documents ready to set up your account. You will be prompted to enter your email or phone number for verification depending on how you registered at the start. Key in your basic information and upload your passport photo. Then tap on Next. Input your address and proof of your address, such as documents that include your name and address issued by specific organizations within the last 3 months. Please provide us more details about yourself and your investment experiences. To protect yourself from identity theft, please complete our facial recognition process. Please look straight and ensure you are in a well-lit room. Read, acknowledge, and sign the risk disclosure form. Tap on Submit. We will now set up your account, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. If you have any questions, please email clientservice@futusg.com. Thank you for choosing moomoo.